My name is Darren Castleberry. I am the lead cook at Emerson College.
My name is Wilson Pierre. So I love cooking. I love being in the kitchen. I love taking care of people. I want to be in the medical field after I get my degree and all that. So I'm moving forward to be a RN. So we made pizza dough together the other day. When you're using a machine that's gonna spin, it makes the flour hot. So you need the ice to keep it cool. In order to make 50 pounds of flour, ice, cold water, sugar, salt, yeast, and oil. I like everything about the pizza station. First of all, we got a great team. And then beside that, we always trying to compete in a good way. If I do something good today and then everyone loves it, DC do something good tomorrow and we keep going on. So
I believe personally cooking can, change a person's attitude. We all have bad days. Sometimes a good plate of food can turn that around. Whether it's pizza or anything, put everything you have into it. It has to be personal. I feel if you make something personal, I put myself into it, and I think it's a representation of the person who made it. It feels good for someone to say, hey, I enjoyed your food. It's almost like saying, hey, that has your name on it. And that food represents the person who created it. That's my signature. My grandmother would constantly have me in the kitchen. Of course, as a kid, you're not too into cooking at first, but well, I'm glad she took the time, to show me some things. 'Cause now I have a family, and those same things she taught me, I try to pass down to my children. I made a pepperoni pizza. Pizza cooks approximately at 600 degrees for 6 minutes.
food means a lot to me in general, not only in the black culture. So food means energy. Food means happiness. Our taste can reach other people that don't really know about it. I love when people eat my food happily. I love when they smile when they're eating my food.